Stay with us and go nowhere.
So we're going to be adding our baking powder to our flour, already measured flour. We'll add our baking powder, we'll add our sugar, we'll add our nutmeg, yes, already measured sugar, nutmeg, then we'll add our nut milk flavor, yes. So add all the dry ingredients together with our salt. Then when we have added the salt, we mix together. So watch me as I do them. And just in case you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, use this opportunity to do that. Like and drop your comments. Yes. So we'll mix everything together. We'll mix everything together now. That's all the dry ingredients. So you mix everything together. So we'll be adding our butter. The next thing, after mixing everything together, you add our butter, our wet ingredient. That's our butter. We'll add our egg and water. So after adding everything, we'll mix together. After mixing together, you combine, you mix very well, then you roll. Ensure you put your water. Imagine this video, I forgot to record my session while rolling our cut. Please, I apologize for that. Just manage it. So you cut and roll, then you deep fry in your hot oil. What I call is oil. So cut to your preferred sizes, then fry. You can make it big, you can make it small, you can make it long, short, then you fry. So this now, and make sure that when you are frying, you don't overcrowd the oil so that you can get a fine texture. The chicken can swell very well and come out very nice. It will not soak the oil. If it's too much, it will soak oil, and if your oil is not hot enough, it will soak oil as well. So you will not get a good chin chin, but it is the look will be awesome. And once you get a bit of golden brown, then you can bring out, so it will not be too brown, like it's not looking like burnt chin chin, but this is very nice, fresh and crunchy. You will love it. So if you need chin chin, to buy our chin chin is readily available in our stores. Bye.